everyone, welcome to a new video. So today I have a unboxing planned for you guys from Prozis. I've ordered some of my favorite products and I cannot wait to show it to you guys. By the way, I'm already wearing the leggings that I got from Prozis. I'll show them to you a little bit later in more detail. As many of you know, I am sponsored by Prozis and I can order products from their website every month. So every month I get my favorite products and I cannot wait to share them with you guys. Let's get them. Prozis is one of my favorite brands for supplements and also for clothing. They have a huge variety of products. They have electronics, supplements, food. They even have frozen meals, guys. They have clothing, they have scales, anything you want, they have it. And I really love their products. I'm going to show you what some of my favorite products from Prozis are. Stay tuned. I'm not really used to speaking in English, so if I make a lot of mistakes, then don't blame me. But yeah, I'm going to film an unboxing for you. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to do this. I just put the box beside me and I really hope that you can see everything. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. The first product that I got are the Zero Choco Dots. These I really love because I always put them in my smoothie bowls. I don't know, I just like having a little bit of a chocolate bite in my smoothie bowl. So next to muesli, I put the Choco Dots. And I ordered a whole box of it because can I go without them? This is really one of my favorite products from Prozis and I really recommend these. So, speaking about smoothie bowls, I recently run out of protein muesli that I always put in my smoothie bowls, also from Prozis. So I ordered another box. Guys, this one is so good, really. Maybe I'll try strawberry next time, but I really love the chocolate flavor. And they go so well with smoothie bowls and with skim, quark or yogurt, anything. Love it, recommend it.
One of my faves.
You guys cannot imagine how happy I am with these. So good. My smoothie bowls are going to be next level again. You can be jealous. So next up is the Zero Whey. It's Zero Diet Whey actually, and I love this because first of all it tastes amazing in the flavor cappuccino and the flavor cookies and cream, which I got right now, but I also like the cappuccino. They taste amazing and they have 20 grams of protein and only 79 calories a scoop, guys. So I'm always speaking about my smoothie bowls because that's literally what I eat every day as lunch or as a snack or whenever. And I put 1 scoop of whey in the smoothie bowl to make it a little bit more tasty and add some more proteins. So that's why I really like having these to add into my smoothie bowls. Not a lot of calories, still 20 grams of protein. Yes. I ordered some leggings. One of them I'm wearing right now. The other one I will show to you a little bit later. Organic cacao nib. Again, for my smoothie bowls. Or Also nice to put in your oatmeal. I'm not sure if you guys are smoothie bowls eaters or oatmeal bowls eaters or no bowls eaters. You should be a bowl eater. Because it's so yummy. And I love these. Put them in my smoothie bowls. Next. I got some Crispies. We Dutchies, we know these as maiswaffels. But yeah, Prozis calls them Crispies. I think these are, oh, corn pulses.
They have organic corn, organic pulse mix, organic beans, organic lentils, chickpeas.
Yeah. Okay, I feel like I'm taking way too much time to do this unboxing. But yeah, let's go to the next. So, I got a zero chips in the flavor cheese and onion. I have tried the barbecue before. I really liked it. Haven't tried this one before. So, shall I try it right now? I will. Oh man. This smells really good.
I wish I knew how this tasted before making my order. Because if I knew before, I would have ordered a whole package of these.
Yeah. Approved. Yeah, those chips were good. I'm gonna remember that for the next time I order. My cat was literally just licking the camera. Okay, on to the next. Oh, you know what this is, right? If you follow me on Instagram, and you should, then you know that this is my all-time favorite product, and I use this every day when making my lunch, when making my boyfriend's lunch. There's just no life without the egg white, honestly. I love it. No, but guys, I really recommend this one too. I think I use up a whole bottle for me and my boyfriend. I think I use up a whole bottle for me and my boyfriend in a month. Love it. Okay, let's hurry up a bit. Okay, and I got the 100% whey prime in the flavor white chocolate.
I drink protein shakes every day and I mix them in my smoothie bowls and my boyfriend drinks them every day. So yeah, we need a lot of protein and we love protein.
I'm gonna let you know if I like this flavor or not. It's the first time trying. And I also got some protein milk. Haven't tried these before, so wouldn't know if I like it. Actually, I'm gonna try it right now. It's not cold though. I'm gonna put it in the fridge later. Oh wow. Oh, I totally understand what the hype is all about, guys. It tastes like vanilla milk actually. It's good. Very good. Also got the zero shake. On to the next. Oh yeah. I got a package with 15 small chocolates in it. Oops. Look. Oh, so cute. It's only 10 grams of chocolate. Milk chocolate with cereal. Is this how it looks like? So yummy.
I think it's only like 46 calories a 10-gram bar.
Oh, this is amazing, guys. Oh yeah, I got 2 bagels, 2 lean bagels. Have not tried these before. I bet they are very tasty. Okay, so every time I got all kinds of sachets to try out, so that I know if I like something, then if I do like it, I will order it with my next order. Protein fusion and protein pancakes. I'm almost at the bottom of the package. Got some beef jerky, 2 of them, one in the flavor black pepper and this one is in the barbecue flavor.
An energy cake. This one in the flavor yogurt. Well, this one, guys, is really, really tasty. It kind of tastes like an oatmeal cake. It's very filling. That's why it's called an energy cake, because it really gives you some energy. Yeah, I really like this one.
Tasty.
And I got some of my favorite snacks. Wafers. These ones are really, really tasty, guys. Really tasty. If you love chocolate, if you love Kit Kats, if you love anything that's sweet, try these, honestly.
Yummy.
And last but not least, I got Fiber with apple flavor vitamins drops.
I'm gonna taste them right now. I'm not sure why I got these. I just felt like having some sort of candy. Yeah, these are tasty. I love having these because when I'm hungry, I'm craving some sweets.
Then I can just have 1 drop and it stills my craving for a while. The same goes for gum.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the leggings that I got from Prozis. Okay, so I think most of you want to see how the leggings look. The top is also from Prozis and the leggings from Prozis in the size S. So these are the leggings. They're really stretchy. It's a size S and they have this cute cutout or mesh, don't know how to call it. It says Prozis. And I also got these in black, so I'll put them on now. Okay, so I put on the black tights and they are literally so much tighter than the marshmallow ones. Apparently, when you get the color black, it runs a bit smaller. These are the tights. As you see, they don't reach as high as the marshmallow ones, and especially at the back of the tights, they run so low. I really like the color, but it just runs a lot tighter. This is such a cool design. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for all those who watched, and thank you to Prozis for sending me all of this. Put a thumbs up and subscribe.